Welcome to the full review of the ASUS ROG Cetra Open Wireless Earbuds. We'll be looking into the design, performance, and features of this unique audio solution. These earbuds are designed to eliminate ear fatigue. They rest lightly on the ear, not inside it, preventing the discomfort of silicone tips and zero ear sweat. You also maintain total situational awareness. The hardware includes 14.2mm DLC drivers for low distortion audio. They are featherweight at only 11 grams per bud, feature tactile physical buttons, and secure, skin-friendly silicone earhooks. The Cetra Open Wireless is perfect for handheld gaming on devices like the Steam Deck and ROG Ally. You can hear your game audio and your surroundings simultaneously, allowing for long, comfortable gaming sessions. The SpeedNova 2.4 GHz dongle delivers ultra-low latency audio and a massive 45-foot wireless range. The L-shaped design and USB-C pass-through allow you to charge your device while playing. Enjoy seamless dual-mode wireless connectivity. Game via 2.4 GHz SpeedNova and auto-switch to Bluetooth 6.0 for incoming calls, with audio instantly routed back to your game when weighing up. Expect expansive and clear sound with a massive soundstage that never sounds congested. The crisp, mid-range, and high frequencies provide excellent directional audio for tracking in-game footsteps. Due to the open ear design, heavy bass leakage is a factor, leading to a lack of sub-bass impact. They are not ideal for heavy EDM or cinematic explosions. Pushing maximum volumes may also cause slight distortion. Software tweaks can enhance the audio. Phantom bass mode restores low-end depth, and immersion mode filters out background noise. You can also customize the multi-band EQ via the Gear Link or Armory Crate mobile app. The quad mic with AI Noise Cancellation actively strips out room noise and keyboard clicks, ensuring a clear, natural voice tone. You also avoid the hands-free profile quality drop when using the dongle. The earbuds offer up to 64 hours of total power, 16 hours on the earbuds, and 48 hours in the case. A 15-minute charge provides 3 hours of playback. However, the charging case is quite bulky. Additional premium hardware details include Aura RGB lighting, an IPX5 water-resistant rating, color wiring, and wear detection that automatically pauses playback when removed. A reflective neck strap is also included. Buy these if you suffer from ear fatigue, game primarily on handhelds, need situational awareness, or hate silicone in-ear tips. Don't buy if you crave deep sub-bass, want ANC, need a pocket-sized case, or are on a strict budget. The ROG Cetra Open Wireless is the ultimate handheld companion, a highly niche product executed perfectly. It offers unmatched comfort and flawless dual wireless connectivity. Just temper your heavy bass expectations. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews.